What's up, everybody? My name is Dylan, and this is the Civic Life. This is my YouTube channel that I've been wanting to start for a long time, and here I am. So let me present you guys my 2012 Honda Civic. This is my daily car. This YouTube channel, we're gonna be doing POVs on the car, maintenance, you guys name it, upgrades and modifications. I'm gonna give you guys a quick shot of what the car looks like right now, and see you guys in a little bit. So this is how the car looks like right now, like I showed you guys earlier on the video. I'm planning on doing and telling you guys some ideas for the future mods that I have in mind right now. I would like to add maybe like a diffuser on the rear bumper, you know, a full exhaust, maybe a Valtronic exhaust like universal muffler or something like that. Maybe in the future upgrade the wing to like carbon fiber wing. I'm also planning on getting a rear window visor like those right there. But yeah, as you guys can see, it has some mods on it still. It's not completely stock, but I'm gonna leave that for the next video, which I'm gonna go into more depth of what has been done to it. But it's pretty noticeable stuff, like, you know, the front headlights, of course those are not stock, the blacked out grille and whatever. But yeah, interior wise though, okay, so in the interior, I mean, it's just pretty much basic. Nothing has really been done to it besides me adding an aftermarket stereo, full screen, Apple CarPlay and all this stuff. It's a 2012, so yeah, nothing special. I really wanted it, so I got it. I think it gives the interior of the car a newer look. But yeah, also at night when I show you guys all the mods that I have done to the car, I installed some ambient lighting as well, as same as down there. So yeah, so as you guys can see, it's an automatic. This is not a Civic Si, which I'm gonna explain you guys why I got this car instead of an Si. Most of you guys will think, oh, you got a Honda Civic but it's not manual. Well, I have a couple reasons for that, so I really hope you guys stay tuned on the channel, which I'm gonna be going into depth of why I picked this car and more mods coming, the mods that it has, and yeah. All right, so now that you guys have seen a little tour of the car, as you guys can tell, it's not completely a stock. Okay, I have done some mods personally on it, so this is the main reason I created this channel, because I'm passionate about cars and I decided to pick up a camera and record myself, because maybe someone of you guys will enjoy the content. So here I am, starting this new journey. So yeah, some mods have been done into it. That's gonna be for another video though, so stay tuned. I'm gonna go through every single mod I have done to the car. I wanted this video to be the introductory video for my YouTube channel. I do this because it's my passion. I love cars and I just want to share it with you guys. More mods are gonna come into the car, of course, but it takes time. If you guys support the video, maybe in the future we can like do some crazy mods into it, or get other cars, whatever you guys want. So yeah, just show some love on this video. I'm gonna leave all my social media on the description, my TikTok and my Instagram. I created 2 accounts for the car. Yeah, like I said, go follow me and leave a like to go along with the ride of my 2012 Honda Civic. Next video is gonna be about every single mod that I have done into it, so stay tuned for that. And yeah, this is just the beginning of the new YouTube channel. I think it will be really fun. So yeah, I mean, this is my car, this is me, and I hope you guys enjoy what I'm trying to do. Really hard talking to a camera, but here I am. I'm just ready for it, and I hope you guys enjoy and support the channel. So yeah, like I said guys, we're gonna be going to car meets, we're gonna be doing road trips, maintenance on the car. So yeah, it's gonna be fun. I have the feeling it's gonna be fun. There's a long way for this car to be nearly done, so stay tuned for all the modifications and upgrades that are gonna happen to the car. But yeah, let me know in the comments what kind of content you guys want to see on this car. What mods do you guys recommend for me to do? I promise I read all the comments, and yeah, I'm just ready for it. I'm excited. This is something new for me, so if I make any mistakes, just be patient. I'm trying to improve myself every day. I'll try to be posting like once a week at least. I would say like every Friday. That you guys know I have work. I'm a full-time student, but I do this. I want this to be my hobby. Be able to work on my car and do something that I'm passionate about. So if you guys are into Hondas or cars or mods, just hit that subscribe button. It will really support me, and it will make me really happy to keep doing this kind of stuff. Like I said, it's a long journey for this car to be done. So yeah, like I said, I left all my social media on the description. Follow me if you guys want to see more content. Everything will support me. It'll make me really happy. So I hope to see you guys on the next one and on the next video. Stay tuned. Hit the subscribe button. Stick around for it. And see you guys in the next one. Peace.